Hello, sir. What's your name?
Hello, David Metcalf
Okay, where are you from?
from New Zealand.
From New Zealand. That's amazing. So I want to ask your opinions about the events today. So what's your opinions?
We just came this afternoon
Yes.
and saw the dancing.
And you come here to show the events?
Yes, well,
Yeah.
I've got a group of people with me
Yeah.
from different countries,
Yeah.
4 different countries, and we've come specifically to see
Yeah.
this festival. We'd heard a lot of good things about it, so we decided to get on an airplane from Bali
Yeah.
and come up here, and it's been absolutely amazing.
And how can you know about today's festival?
Well, I just found out through a guide that we use up here. So he informed us about the festival, so we
And
decided to come.
what is your opinions about the events, today's event?
Oh, I think it was fantastic today. As I said, today mostly we've just seen the dancing, but that was fantastic. And then yesterday, of course, the opening, we were here all day.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I mean, I just couldn't believe all the different costumes, how friendly the people are, how welcoming we've been made, you know, like how people have welcomed us. Of course, take lots of photographs with us, you know.
Yes, that's it.
And, just a beautiful spirit, I think, of the
Yeah.
people. Everybody's happy, the kids are all involved, you know, integrating with the parents, and they're happy and having a great time. So, and just so important to keep the culture alive through these events. That's why I love to come and support them. And for me to learn about the culture and about the way of life here, that's why I come, and I've been, and I'll keep coming back. I mean, this is a very special place. Yeah.
So then I hope you enjoy your experience here. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.